So guys, in this video we will be discussing about CVE 2019-1388. So here what type of operating systems have been affected. You can see here 2008, 12, 16. So we will be discussing this ring open as system very soon. So first let's type system info. So the vulnerability lies in you take a binary, you can download this HHUPD from Google. So right click on this. This is Microsoft signed binary and run as administrator. So we will get this password prompt. All you need to do is click on show more details and click on this show information about the publisher's certificate. So this certificate details will be open, and if you go to details, and here you can see one SPC agency info. So this should be installed for that binary. So one of this binary is HHUPD. So you can download that from the Google and place that in the Windows box. So if that certificate is there, then this issued by this, instead of normal text, it will be rendered as a hyperlink. So if you click on this link, a browser should open. So click on this one, and a browser probably may be open. Now click on OK and click on no. So now you can see there is a Internet Explorer open, and if you type the system info, you can see here it's Windows 2016 14393, and you can check here. So the link opened as system. So the link which is this one, and that means our Internet Explorer has been opened as a system. So now you can on the command prompt. So click on file, click on save as. So this prompt will open to save the file name. So instead of file name, you go to this file path and type cmd and hit enter, and you can see we got the one shell. Type who am I, and we are NT Authority system. So if you two things should work for you in order to get the system. You need to be the Windows box should be one of these versions, up to Windows 10 1607 and up to Windows 2016 14393. So after that this vulnerability has been patched, and also you should have the graphical user interface to the box like RDP or VNC. And let's try first to open the normal binary, run as administrator, and click on show more details. Click on this publisher certificate, and you can see here issued by, it has been normally rendered as a text. If you go to details, we don't have that special agency certificate. So if that certificate has that binary, so the binary has the certificate, then this issued by will be rendered as a link and it will open in the browser. So that's why get the system info and see if this version is there in this list, and if it is, then you can copy the HHUPD binary and get the system shell.